Followership is a very difficult concept, and I think one that carries so much baggage with it, negative baggage, that we should get rid of it, just eliminate it. And in its place, I would suggest that we use a concept that John Gardner introduced of constituents. Constituents are people, if you go back to the Latin, really means to establish together, to found something together. Well, if you and I create something together, and then I give you the responsibility of the leadership role, then my role as a constituent or a supporter, as somebody who has helped in the foundation of the idea or the work that we're doing together, I have a responsibility to keep you on track. I can't be passive. I can't just say yes sir, yes ma'am to anything you say. I have to keep your feet to the fire and make sure that you're being true to the idea of what it was we set out in our noble ambitions to accomplish. And so if you looked up the definition of follower, you would never want to be one, I assure you. Because definitions sound something like this: follows behind, walks in the footsteps of, imitates. Who wants to do any of that? I mean, we all came here to be ourselves, to live, to breathe, to make things happen. You don't want to just follow in somebody's footsteps, and particularly if they're going in the wrong direction. Bad idea, very bad idea. So the idea of constituency calls for active participants, active supporters, and this is what connective leaders look for. They are not looking for passive followers. They want people to join in, to add ideas, to amend their ideas, so that you get the benefit of diversity, you get the benefit of interdependence. That's the whole idea, that you gain so much more from bringing together people who have different backgrounds, different cultures, different educations, and they see the situation, whatever the situation may be, differently than everybody else. So you have all these people in the room with looking at it from a slightly different point of view and bringing to the project new ideas and new ways of doing things. They are not yes men and women. And so constituents, as far as connective leaders are concerned, are active participants. They criticize, they critique, they add ideas. They are able to see when a crisis is coming, because they just don't go into a group think or into a mode of thinking of consensus by necessity. So connective leaders, if you want to work with a connective leader, get ready to work. Don't get ready to follow behind sheepishly. No yes men, no yes women. Just, we have ideas, we're here to help. We're here to make it happen.